Okay, this is one of Jane's friend's ideas. She's from Denmark. Very, very, very good cook. And she said, now, if you want the ultimate crackling, okay, and what I've done, this is just a pan, okay. I've already vinegared it and salted it. That's what we normally do. But she says, don't do that. So I'm going to wash it, clean it. Well, not wash it, clean it off. Turn it upside down. Put a cup of water in the bottom of the pan and cook it for 20 minutes boiled in the water. That's what she says. So I've got to boil it for 20 minutes first, all right, and then see if we can get the ultimate crackling side down. Cup of water. I might put a little bit more, and we're going to boil it 20 minutes, all right, and see what happens afterwards. Okay, in the oven in a second. Gas mark 6, and I'll put the timer for 20 minutes. 20 minutes and counting. It's nearly there. Come on! Bit out of focus, that's alright. I think it looks good as it is, but anyway. So, this is what we do now. Turn it over, put some vinegar and salt. So the idea is it softens up the crackling and makes it more fluffy. I think that's the word they were using. Because this is my wife talking to her friend. So it's going to be fluffy crackling. Okay, there you go. I'll put a lot more on than that in a minute. Okay, that's back in the oven for an hour and a half, I think. Okay, that's set for an hour. It's going that way, that way. Okay, so when that goes an hour, I'll come back and check it. Well, that looks like it turned out beautifully. Right, is there any more there? That was a bit there.
What are you squeaking at?
She's sneaking. She does this, then when I'm away.
What are you squeaking?
I know, look at that. I might that piece come off separately, so I might leave that and then let that recook.
That's a big bit, isn't it?
And Jane's looking at this piece now, look.
That piece as well.
Oh, you little monkey. And me. Right, there we go. So it did work. Turning it upside down first does produce beautiful crackling.
Who knows?
There we go.
A little bit burnt.
Yeah, that's nothing. We'll have to throw that away.
Oh.
Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and a thumbs up. Hit that new subscribe button in the corner. Take care, and we'll catch you in the next vid. All the best.